For today's buttercream piping tutorial, we will be making maple leaves. Begin by attaching a square of parchment to a flower nail. For this tutorial, you will need a number 150 tip, and I will be using red buttercream. The buttercream recipe and all of the instructions can be found down in the description box below. Hold your tip with the longer end facing out and the shorter end slightly off center. Apply pressure, pull up to form a point, and then dip back down while turning the flower nail. Pull up again and form a longer point. And again, we're going to pull back down while turning. Now we're going to pipe our third point, and we want it to be shorter like that first point. We're going to pull back to our starting point, and that's the first third of our maple leaf. So we're going to do the exact same thing here, but slightly bigger. So we're going to pull up, form a point, dip, and spin. Pull up, form a point, dip, and spin. And then we're going to come back down to our starting point. And for our third segment, we are going to want to try to mirror that first segment as best as possible so that we end up with a nice, even, symmetrical maple leaf. To form the stem, you will need to hold your tip parallel and apply a small amount of pressure and then sharply pull away. And that's our finished maple leaf. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.